Good morning, my students. Our lesson today 3D shapes. 3D shapes or solid. We have a lot of 3D shapes or a lot of solids. Let's start our lesson about 3D shapes. 3D shapes, every three-dimensional shape has three measurements. They are length, width, and height. Parts of 3D shapes. Three-dimensional or 3D shapes are defined by the number of faces, edges, and vertices that they have. Edge, we call this edge, and this vertex, and here face. Let's know more 3D shapes like cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone, pyramid, and prism. First one, we have cube. C-U-B-E, cube. C-U-B-E, cube. The cube has 6 square faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. So cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices, and all faces are square. And cuboid, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid. Cuboid has 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. And we have to know that cube and cuboid are friends, but the difference between cube and cuboid that all faces in cube are square, but cuboid we have the faces, they aren't the same. Now we have square-based pyramid. Square-based pyramid because squared-based pyramid has one base as square, and 8 edges and 5 vertices. And we have to know that at any pyramid, the number of faces equal the number of vertices. And we have triangular-based pyramid. Triangular-based pyramid because it has base like triangle. And we said triangular pyramid has one base and 3 faces, total 4 triangles. So it has 4 faces as triangle and 4 vertices and 6 edges. Then we have cone. The cone has one base as a circle and 1 vertex. Then we have cylinder. Cylinder has 2 bases as a circle. Cylinder has 2 bases as a circle. And we have sphere. Sphere has no faces, no edges, and no vertices, so we can call it Mr. Zero. Okay, my students, let's have more exercise about 3D shapes or about solid. First question, my students. Who I am? I have no faces, no edges, I have no vertices. I am what, my students? Yes, I am sphere. Okay, second question, who I am? I have one vertex and one base as a circle. I am what, my students? Yes, great work. I am cone. Excellent. Now, who Who I am, my students? I have 6 square faces, and I have 12 edges, and I have 8 vertices. Who I am? 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. I am. Yes, fantastic. I am a cube. Excellent. Who I am, my students? I have 1 curved face, and I have 2 circular bases. I am what, my students? Yes, well done. I'm a cylinder.